Alright, so we are at our next location in Shigisan, a mountain in Nara Prefecture, just 45 minutes away from our previous location in Osaka, and it's a very special temple because next year is the year of the tiger, so I expect it's probably going to be very busy, so let's hustle and go check it out.
Pretty busy,
especially compared to the last place, but apparently they are kind of linked. So the prince, what's his name?
Shotoku.
Prince Shotoku had a hand in creating this temple, and also the prince apparently placed an image of the Buddha or something in the previous temple, and that's why it was built there. For this one, he prayed on the hour of the day on the year of the tiger so that he could win a battle to bring Buddhism to Japan and take over from Shintoism. And because he prayed, he won, of course, so he is a victorious tiger, and hence we have this tiger temple which looks massive.
Right?
Wow. So apparently here we will find the world's biggest papier-mâché tiger. I'm not sure how many papier-mâché tigers there are in the world, but apparently it's very big. There is also a tiger tunnel and also lots of tiger kind of little goodies. So hopefully our 2022 will start off well because we come here early. So I think head that way. What is the real name for this temple?
Chogosonshi-ji. Chogosonshi-ji.
So that's why I guess it's been nicknamed Shigisan, it's easier. The Shigi mountain, right? So it's kind of south of Nara. It's a place that I've never really been to. I've only ever been to like the central deer park.
Yeah. Where we saw the deer.
Yeah. Big difference between going to temples and shrines in Japan is that instead of having all the red, you get all these kind of muted tones. So it's quite different to what you would expect around, well, I guess Kyoto more than anything. But Kyoto and Nara, Osaka are really closely linked. Like, you can travel around pretty easily. It's much easier for us to travel between the three than being in Tokyo, obviously.
I can see.
Tiger butt.
Ah.
It is pretty big. He's got like a little bobbing head. Look at his teeth.
Can't see the face though.
No. Yeah, this is kind of in the way actually. The preparations.
The thing like next
his head
moving.
bobs, yeah. Kind of reminds me of Akabeko, right?
Yeah.
But let me see how tall it is. Go stand next to it. Oh, that is pretty big. Oh, it does move. Yeah, oh, and he's got like a little rope around his neck. Do you think the rope is for New Year? It looks kind of new, right?
Wow, 顔見て.
You can't see at all,
Maybe
can
for
you?
the top.
Oh yeah, maybe. He's got pretty impressive teeth though.
So that's the main one. I guess you can see the face from there.
Ah, yeah. That's so cute.
The little ones.
Yeah. Oh, it doesn't move. Oh, jeez.
You saw the tiger.
I didn't think it was the tiger. So, I don't know if you heard the noise earlier, but apparently there's like 3 special types of prayer or ritual that takes place here. So there's quite a noisy one. Like that. There's going through the tiger tunnel, and then there's a miniature version of the 88 Shikoku temple pilgrimage. So 3 special kinds of blessing, and I think somewhere around here is the tiger tunnel.
Ah. Tiger tunnel. It's like a cat.
Yeah. Should be through the mouth, right?
Yeah.
Down to up.
Oh.
Another kind of theme park feeling. So you can hang Emma up here. Such strange kind of novelty. Oh, yeah? It's a double-ended cat.
Oh. No cat. Little tiger on the tiger.
Oh yeah. Got like funky eyelashes. Oh, Chizo. I don't think I've ever seen that many Chizo in one place. So they're for like children who died prematurely, right? Like early, but also for travel, protect travelers. So good for us. But then look how happy these ones are. Kawaii.
Yeah. Totally different atmosphere from last one.
A lot more serious. Talk about a noisy prayer. So I think the reason is that basically it's kind of like a battle cry. So when the prince was originally praying for victory, obviously he was in the middle of a battle. The tiger has that kind of symbolism of victory and power, and apparently going through that tunnel is supposed to make you powerful too, so we'll see. What?
Oh, so big.
Yeah, right? So we got a mini pilgrimage just in case you can't go to Shikoku.
Seems like both of them are scared from the noise.
Yeah.
Right?
It's kind of impressive. I wonder if the guy's throat hurt. He's in a cage.
The tiger.
Aww. Poor little thing. Ah, so here are the castle ruins. So another link to some of our previous videos. The castle was destroyed by Oda Nobunaga. He burnt it down.
Oh, no neck.
He's got like head, body.
Oh,
That's so impressive.
Nara ka na are.
In a strange way, it almost reminds me of Kiyomizu-dera, right?
Because it's tall.
I guess, overlooking the sights. Is that Nara?
Yeah, it's Nara.
Kind of flat. Down there, some deers somewhere. Centipede.
Mukade.
Well, that's the first time we've ever seen that. Right?
Yeah.
Interesting. I wonder why. So apparently up here there used to be lots and lots of different snakes though, and it's because a dragon used to live at the top of the mountain, but I guess not anymore. You kind of can see the tiger from up here a little bit.
木があって見えない。ここかな？うわ、
Kind of.
見えないです。
Oh, there we go, the Shigi Tora.
I guess that is the thing. 違うとこ来ちゃってんじゃん。I think this is the top.
The
Yeah.
castle.
Yeah.
I guess that would make sense from our previous castle visits. They're always at the top looking down, aren't they? Unless of course it's Matsumoto Castle.
It's pretty though.
It's really pretty. So now there's like tori. So is this a Shinto bit? The red one.
Yeah.
Do you reckon there's still snakes here now?
いそうだけどね。
Right?
え This is another Kyoto one.
Similar, yeah. A lot less busy though.
あれ仮面ライダーみたいなやつあるよ。
Very high-tech, futuristic looking tori. Is it made out of metal?
I think so.
Oh yeah. That's strange. I've never seen that before.
危なくねあんなの。
Yeah, be careful.
Let me see the top one.
Someone's been piling up rocks here too.
Quite dangerous.
Yep. Zigzag all the way to the top. At least it'll keep us warm. Still preferable to do this in winter rather than summer, I think. There would be a major mosquito attack, I'm sure. Tora. Tiger.
The foot mark.
Maybe not.
Alright?
Baby one.
Baby.
Oh, I think they must have had more tori before. Like collapsed. I'm a bit scared of going under those rock ones now.
Yeah. Whoa!
Again, I can see why you would build a castle up here.
うわぁ、あれが奈良か。
There's no snow on the mountains actually, they're not that high.
West side of Japan doesn't really have a
Maybe a little bit over there.
big mountain. あれ
Ah, they did better than we did.
Yeah.
Definitely more than 15.
あれどこ上か
It must be this way. I don't want to go on like a hiking trail right now.
あ、ここなんじゃないここ。That's the place.
Surely the castle will be bigger than that, right?
True.
I don't know.
あれあ、ここじゃん。これ。これだけ This is the top.
I guess. I mean, it was a good walk.
We
Nice
saw a
view.
nice view.
Yeah. You made it to the top. Oh, the dragon that used to live here.
東京こっちか。こっちが大阪。大阪見えるじゃん。
Oh yeah. Cool. 綺麗。
不思議さんいいわ。不思議さん。下戻ろうか。
Yeah. That was quite a walk actually, wasn't it? You've steamed up a bit.
That's it.
Have a look at these little guys again before heading up to our last location. Is it this way? I don't know. Ah, with the monk. Oh, a lot. Is it here? No. Eh? I'm so confused. How do you get there then?
Ah, it's there.
Up. Okay. That is the coolest postbox in the world. Imagine sending your New Year postcard from there this year, right?
Ah, ここだ。
Up. Ooh, that looks like a lot more steps again. Can you hear the people walking above you?
No.
What is that? So even after looking online, there's like no way to tell how big this complex is. So if you come, then be prepared to do a lot of walking. It looks so steep.
Oh, I mean, we could come from the other way.
Yeah, we could, because we just saw that dog.
Eh?
Don't recognize the family, recognize the dog. But how could we come from... Ooh, so many buildings. Definitely a unique way to bless this mess. Nihonchi Daibutsu Nani? I see. Oh, I didn't know we were coming to see that today too.
あ、これ地蔵なんだ。だから大地蔵尊。一番でかいやつ。
Young looking.
I guess we could come from here. Eh?
Lesson learned through us. Do as we say, not as we do. My legs are absolutely shaking. I'm such an old lady. Well, feels like it. Well, I think my legs are knackered for the day. How about yours?
Mine, pretty fine.
Maybe 2022 will be a healthier year for me. But it's been a good way to finish it. Next year is the year of the tiger, and we hope you will have a very good one.
Yeah.
And on that note, we'll see you next time.
せーの。
Happy New Year!